Welcome students for the video lecture of subject concrete technology. So today we will see topic 4.3, that is Indian standard method of concrete mix design. So vision of the institute: excellence in technical education to empower youth. Then mission: impart quality technical education to prepare students with excellent technical skills. Then develop competent and employable diploma engineers and responsible citizens. Then strengthen industry institute interaction. Then vision of the department: to impart excellent civil engineering skills to develop employable civil diploma engineers. Then mission: imparting the modern technical skills as per the requirement of the industry to improve employability, to develop social and environmental responsible civil engineers. Then effective implementation of teaching learning process to benefit students. Course outcome: so in this topic we'll study how to prepare concrete of required specifications. Then unit outcome: explain the given method of concrete mix design for the given situation. Then interpret the given data obtained from test on given type of concrete. Then program outcomes mapped here are: basic and discipline knowledge, problem analysis, design and development of solutions, engineering tools, experimentation and testing, engineering practices for society, sustainability and environment, project management and lifelong learning. Then definition of concrete mix. So here in every subtopic we have to see what are the definition of concrete mix design. So accordingly we can easily learn how to make the concrete mix design. So the process, the definition: so the process of selecting suitable ingredient of concrete and determining their relative proportions with the object of producing concrete of certain minimum strength and durability as economically as possible. Then IS method of concrete mix design. So Indian standard method of concrete mix design. So the concrete mix is designed by IS 102621982 using following steps. So nowadays IS 10262-2000 is also used for designing a mix. So but we have to study this 102621982. We have given this in your syllabus. So first step is to calculation of target mean strength. Then next is selection of water cement ratio. Then selection of water content and fine to total aggregate ratio. Then calculation of cementitious material content. Then calculation of aggregate content. Then estimate the amount of entrapped air for maximum nominal size of aggregate from the table. So these are the steps only you need to learn. So this is in our syllabus, that we only need to know the steps, what are the steps in Indian standard method of concrete mix design. So here we will see steps one by one. Then first step is calculation of target mean strength. So in determining the target mean strength, the compressive strength for 28 days FCK and level of control. So formula given here is Ft is equal to FCK plus 1.65 S. So using this formula we have to calculate the target mean strength. So Ft is target mean strength, FCK is compressive strength for 28 days 165, and S is the standard deviation obtained from the table. So we have to here assume standard deviation as per IS 45-2000. So in this table we can see that grade of concrete is given and assumed standard deviation in Newton per mm square is given. So whatever grade of concrete we have, for what grade of concrete we are designing the mix, accordingly we have to select the value for standard deviation. So for M10 and M15 value is 3.50. For M20 and M25 value is 4. From M30 to M50 value is 5. So accordingly whatever design whatever grade of concrete is given us for designing a concrete, according to that we have to select the value of S. The next step is selection of water cement ratio. So we have to obtain water cement ratio for desired mean strength, mean target using the empirical relationship between compressive strength and water cement ratio. So chosen is checked against the limiting water cement ratio. So water cement ratio is chosen is checked against the limiting water cement ratio for the requirements of durability given in table and adopts the lower of the two values. So here in this table, water cement ratio versus compressive strength. So through this table we have to find out the value for water cement ratio, and accordingly we have to select it. Then selection of water content and find to total aggregate ratio. The water content and percentage of sand in total aggregate by absolute volume are determined from table for medium, that is for below grade M35, and for high strength above grade M35 concrete respectively. So approximate sand and water content per cubic meter of concrete, we have to select this from the table. So from table, for water cement ratio 0.60, workability 0.80, compaction factor or slump 33 mm respectively, we have to select the values. So in this table we have given maximum size of aggregates, see here size of aggregates, then water content including surface water per cubic meter of concrete, and then sand and percent of total aggregate by absolute volume. So if maximum size of aggregate given for workability, look here, for workability 0.60 and workability water cement ratio 0.60 and for workability 0.80 compaction factor. So if maximum size of aggregates here given 10, 20, 40. So if maximum size of aggregate 10 mm, then water content should be 200 kg and sand per total aggregate by absolute volume is 40. Then for maximum size of 20 mm, water content 186 kg and sand as per percent of total aggregate by absolute volume is 35. Then for 40 mm aggregate size, water content is 165 kg and sand is 30. So accordingly we have to select the values. Whatever value for the size of aggregates we have given, accordingly we have to choose the water content and also the sand content. Then approximate sand and water content per cubic meter of concrete for water cement ratio 0.35 and for workability 0.80 compaction factor. So in previous thing we have select water cement ratio as 0.60. So that is applicable for concrete above M35. So in this table we can see maximum size of aggregate 10 mm, then water content is 200 kg and sand as percent of total aggregate by absolute volume is 28. Then for maximum size of aggregate 20 mm, water content is 180 kg and sand as percent of total aggregate by absolute volume is 25. Then selection of water content and find to total aggregate ratio. Then how to select water content and find to total aggregate ratio. So adjustment of values in water content and sand percentage for other conditions. So we need to do some adjustment of values in water content and sand percentage by other conditions. So from in this table, change in conditions stipulated for table. So we will be given these conditions and accordingly we have to change the value for water content and also for percentage sand in total aggregate. So adjustment we need to require this. So change in condition. So first condition, for sand conforming to grading zone 1 or zone 2 or zone 4, we have to change the water content as 0. No need to change anything for water content. But in sand, for zone 1 we have to add 1.5%. If zone 3 is given, then we have to subtract 1.5%, and if zone 4 is given, then we have to minus 3% of sand content. Then second condition, increase or decreasing the value of compacting factor by 0.1. So if compaction factor value will increase or decrease, then if compaction factor value if increase by 0.1%, then we have to add plus 3%. If the compaction factor value decrease by 0.1%, then for every 0.1% we have to subtract the value of water content by 3%. Similarly, there is no need to do change for anything of increase or decrease of compaction factor. We don't need to do any changes in percentage of sand content. Then third condition here, each 0.05 increase or decrease in water cement ratio. No need to change here water content, and in each 0.05 increase or decrease, we have to increase or decrease 1% of sand in total aggregate. Then for rounded aggregates, if rounded aggregates are given in our design, then we have to subtract the water content by 15 kg, and sand content by, we have to decrease the sand content by 7%. These are the adjustment required. Then calculation of cementitious material. The cement content per unit volume of concrete may be calculated from free water cement ratio and the quantity of water per unit volume of concrete. The cement content so calculated shall be checked against the requirement of durability table, and requirements of not satisfied, then steps are to be repeated for different values. So we have to check the values of requirement of water content against durability table, and we need to satisfy those requirements. Then calculation of aggregate content. Aggregate content can be determined from the following equations. So this equation, V is equal to W plus C by SC plus 1 by P FA upon SFA into 1 upon 1000. So where V is absolute volume of concrete or gross volume, SC is specific gravity of cement, W is mass of water per cubic meter of concrete, that is in kg. C is equal to mass of cement per cubic meter of concrete. Then P is equal to ratio of fine aggregate to total aggregate by absolute volume. Then FA/CA is equal to total masses of fine and coarse aggregate per cubic meter of concrete respectively. And SCA and SFA is equal to specific gravity of saturated, surface, dry, fine and coarse aggregates respectively. Then last is estimate the amount of entrapped air for the maximum nominal size of aggregate from the table. So entrapped air can be found out by referring table. So maximum size of aggregates 10, 20, 40, and entrapped air as percentage of volume of concrete. For 10% it is 3, for 20% it is 2, and for 40% it is 1. So accordingly we have to design the mix. Whatever conditions are given, according to those conditions we have to adjust the value for water content, for sand content, for entrapped air. So accordingly we have to see the standard process given in the chart. So today we have seen in this lecture steps for IS method of concrete mix design. Then assignment question, explain the steps of IS method of concrete mix design. So this was about today's lecture. Thank you.